Okay, so I've already done this side right here that goes down and attaches the quarter panel to the post right here. That's finished. That's actually been spot welded and grinded down and put a little primer in there because it's going to be a while before this thing goes into paint. So now what I have is this. This, if you watch one of my other episodes, it is a piece that came off the original quarter panel and does not come with the quarter panel from Fotofab. That's the brand of the quarter panel I'm using. And this piece prevents, basically blocks this gaping hole right here, and it needs to be put on from the back of the quarter panel through that hole right there, and it will fit, if I can get it in there, it will fit right here, and I'll show you where it goes. I'll bring my camera around here, maybe you guys can see it, but I believe you can, yes. So let me take my gloves off. So this is the gaping hole I'm talking about right here. This hole right here. Obviously you can't leave it like that. You'd have to weld something here, but I want it to look as factory as possible. So I separated this piece right here from the factory quarter panel, and this will fit in the back of the quarter panel like so. It's easier said than done earlier. Here we go. There. So that's what I'm actually going to be spot welding right now. My challenge is that this is a one-man operation right here. So I need to hold this tight against the quarter panel, and at the same time I need to spot weld this thing. I'm terrible at spot welding with my left hand, or using the welder with my left hand, period. So I'm going to try to go through the other side, and I'm going to try to put my hand through here and put some pressure on it, and hopefully be able to spot weld that in place. So let's give it a try. And see if I can do that. Hope I don't block the whole picture right here for you. Let me see. No, I don't think I can. I will, and I think I can do it. So let me try. All right, let's give it a shot. There it is. Nope. I can't put my hand like that in there. Sorry guys, I know I'm blocking everything to the view here, but it's very difficult to do this. I'll tell you what, let me figure out another way to do this and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, I've recruited my wife over here and she has graciously come over here to do something that she probably does not enjoy, but I appreciate the help. All right, honey, here we go. Don't worry about the sparks. You're not going to get burned, but I want you to close your eyes.
Hot. That's hot. That's hot.
Okay.
Can I let go?
Yeah.
Sorry, honey.
It's okay. Are you back in the same place?
I think. So,
Let me see.
it's hot, so I think I'm on the right spot.
Yeah, you're in the right spot.
Can I move it to my knuckles instead of my fingertips?
Yeah. You can fit it. You good?
I think so.
Here we go. Okay. That's it. Let's have a round of applause for my wife who actually came down to help.
I think you welded my fingers.
Yeah, probably.